Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome back to our channel Nikhil's Learning World. This is our Kotlin programming series and up to now we are on the 29th episode and today we will learn scope functions in Kotlin. Okay, so up to now if you have any queries or any suggestions you can comment me and please share this video with your friends who want to learn Kotlin programming. And still now if you have not yet subscribed this channel, please do subscribe and comment me if you have any suggestions. Okay, so let's start with the scope function in Kotlin. Okay, so what are scope functions? So scope function allows us to execute a block of code within the context of an object. Okay, so names define scope and function. What is the scope function? So function have its own scope. Okay, but in Kotlin coroutine execution, or you can say scope function, it's a special function that allow you to execute code within the context of an object. They helped improve code reusability and reduce boilerplate code. Okay, so they can help us to write in cleaner code, avoid repetitions and improve readability. So Kotlin, there are 5 types of code scope functions like let, run, apply, also and with. So let's understand one by one. So first is let. So it uses let it as an object reference. It return a result of an lambda. Okay, you can see an example like an val number name equal to Kotlin, val length equal to name dot let. Okay, so let in bracket print it is nothing but a reference to that current object reference. Okay, so it or this. Okay, but in let uses it, and it uses it to refer to the object and returns lambda expressions. Use case null check changing and transformation. So if in this example you can see while name equal to Kotlin, but instead of the Kotlin name equal to null. Okay, name equal to null, and we are calculating length, right? But what happened? It may be crash application. So let is a scope function. If the name is not equal to null, then only it will execute. If instead of any string null, then it not execute. Okay, it's great for a null safety and transformation. Just keep in mind. Hope you understand let. Okay, let is an object reference and return a lambda expression. Okay, it return a lambda result, not expression, lambda result. Second one is a run. So it uses this as a reference object and it return a result. Okay, use case for object configuration and result return. Useful for when you want to initialize and compute the result. For example, you can see while a result equal to hello dot run print length. Okay, so third one is apply. Apply is used for the uses this and a return object itself. Okay, so apply it uses this to refer to the object and return object itself. So use case is object configuration. Okay, so you can see an example user equal to user dot apply. So name and age it will be apply as a John and 25. So it's perfect for object configuration. If you want to configure any object at that time by using the apply, you can apply that particular object configuration. So fourth one is also is a return it. You got the point. And a return object. Okay, it uses it to the refer to the object and it's a return object itself. Use case for logging, for logs. Okay, logging, debugging and chaining. Great for the logging and or side effects. Okay, fifth one is with. With is uses with to refer to the object and it's a return a lambda result. call multiple methods on the same object. Okay, for example, you can see val result equal to with Kotlin and print this length. So useful when working with an object multiple items, that is with. You can see the key difference whenever the function reference and return. Okay, so let it always refer to it and return a result. Run it reference to this and return a result. Apply is a reference to this and return object, and also is a refer to it and return to object. With is refer to this and return to result. So when to use what? Just keep in mind, you use the let always for the null checks and transformation. Always use run for the calculations. Okay, I use apply for the object setup. Whenever your object setup, we are setting object, at the time apply will be used, or you can say object configuration. Also is for logging and debugging, and with is for the grouping operations. Okay, hope you understand. And these functions uses a different object and reference it or this, and it's a return a different result, either the object itself or a lambda result. You got the point? Okay, so it's all about today's session, and we have tried to understand the what are the scope function in Kotlin, and we have learned the let, run, apply also, and with. These are the main 5 scope functions. Okay, hope you understand on this and clear on the idea. If you have any queries, you can comment me, and please share, like and subscribe the channel. This is Nikhil signing off. See you in the next